Wagon Assembly plant here in Kajola, Ogun State. The plant, which is a private investment undertaken by Mercer CCECC, is an important project for so many reasons. It is central in the production of rolling stock, spare parts, and maintenance equipment needed for the railway modernization program being currently implemented by the administration of President Yemi. This ceremony is not just another event. It's a historic turning point for the President, for whom the railway project is a passion. The railway is not just an alternative and comfortable mode of travel. It holds the master key to transforming commerce in Nigeria and across the country. By linking our ports to rail lines and now building rolling stock locally, import and export business within and out of Africa's largest market will be completely transformed. When completed, it is expected that the plant will produce some parts of the wagons for the Lagos-Ibadan and Abuja-Kaduna rail line, but also for the Central Rail Line, and will satisfy the needs of other rail operators within the West African sub-region and indeed within the African continent. Secondly, the siting of the plant here in Nigeria and the commitment to hiring Nigerians and Nigerian businesses affirms the President's directive in Executive Order 5 on prioritizing Nigerians and Nigerian businesses in the innovation, production, and procurement of engineering projects and services. The plant will offer an important platform for engineers, technicians, artisans, and other professionals to gain the specialized skills required for the production and maintenance of rolling stock. This will invariably conduce to spin-off businesses in the region of operation in particular and across the country, wherever rail networks are in existence. The plant is expected, as we've heard, to generate about 5,000 direct and indirect jobs. And I have a message also for you from the President, and this is to CCECC, which is that we expect that you will move on very quickly to the next phase of this project, which is the assembly and construction of coaches and locomotives. This for us will be a significant breakthrough, and we look forward to hearing from you as quickly as possible when this will come into operation as well. After completing the Abuja-Kaduna Railway project in July 2016, this administration commenced the construction work on the Lagos-Ibadan Railway Modernization Project. In March 2017, following which we initiated the rehabilitation and completion of the abandoned Itakwe-Ajaokuta Warri Rail Line, which was started over 3 decades ago. Furthermore, last month, we signed an agreement with Mercer China Railway Construction Company International to construct the Itakwe-Ajaokuta Rail Line, which will be extended from Itakwe to Abuja through the Barrow Island waterfall to Niger State with a branch line to Lokoja in Kogi State. The rail line will link into the new Warri seaport being constructed under the agreement. Also, we are optimizing the Lagos-Ibadan Rail Modernization Project by extending it to their upper port, the nation's busiest port, for the efficient movement of cargo from the port to the various destinations. This will expedite the import and export flows, decongest the port, and remove the pressure currently on our roads in the process. Also, we are putting in place a mechanism to achieve the swift completion of the Ibadan Inland Dry Port, which will offtake containers and cargo from their Papa port through the Lagos-Ibadan rail line. Let me take this opportunity in this environment and other for this project and also for other relevant federal and state government projects. These projects, the implementation of this project are important, and it's imperative that our host communities continue to support the government's efforts by effectively cooperating with the contractors in safeguarding and protecting these lasting investments so that we all can ensure that the intended objectives and the mutual benefits are inured to us all. Let me also mention Rotimi Amechi or Chikuke Amechi, whichever one you choose. Today is Rotimi Amechi since we're in the Southwest, for the very hard work and commitment that they have demonstrated from the inception of our rail modernization project, and also to the Chinese government, particularly the investor, CCECC, Nigeria Limited, for this significant and strategic investment. The vision you have shown and the initiative that you have taken in the larger development journey of this great country will reap unparalleled rewards for you and great opportunities for us all, and in particular for our people. It is now, and in a few minutes, I will have the special privilege of performing the official groundbreaking ceremony for the establishment of the Wagon Assembly plant here in Kajola, Ogun State. And I hope that this will only be the beginning of a whole massive industry around building of railway equipment, railway infrastructure, not just here in Ogun State, but across Nigeria. Thank you all very much.
Your Excellency, Honorable Ministers, Your Excellency of the distinguished guests of the full Kajola and Ogun State, it is now my very special pleasure and privilege to perform the official groundbreaking ceremony of the Kajola Wagon Assembly for the benefit of the Nigerian people and to the glory of God.